Hello everyone, this is CP from your business application class, and in today's demonstration I am going to show you a simple trick to make your chart a little clearer. In this week's project we are asked to show a chart of each employee and their salary. And this is the chart, and as we can kind of visually see, Dog makes about 65,000. No, he actually makes 66,000. So if we want to just know the exact number of it, instead of referring back and forth from the chart and the table, we can do a simple trick by right-clicking your mouse on one of the chart bar. And as you right-click it, you see something called Add Data Labels. You click it and bam, it shows how much each person makes. So you don't have to go back and forth between chart and tables. This is a very, very simple trick for this week's demonstration. I hope it helps and I hope you like it. Have a good day.